All right, now let's suppose we want to now factorize. We want to factorize that question over there. All right, so, all right. What you notice over here is that we have a number in front of x squared and we have our constant. So we can't factorize this like we would normally by only looking at the last term. We also have to look at the first term in conjunction with the last term. If I look at the last term, I can see quite easily that this is simply just 2 times 1. And this one here is also just 2 times 1. I got to bring these two factors together. Let's suppose I put them in some kind of table. Put 2 and 1 at the top from here, and I put 2 and 1 at the bottom from here. What I'm going to do now is cross multiply. So 1 times 2 will equal 2, and 1 times 2 over here becomes 2, right? And if I look at these two values of 2, they need to add or subtract in order to get the middle term, which is going to be negative 3x, or just negative 3. At the moment, this will add to either 4 and subtract to get to 0. Now, that's not going to work, right? So what I need to do is I need to swap one of the factors around and then redo this entire process. All right. I'm going to do exactly that again. I'm going to swap the top row over, looking like this. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to have here is the following. Got 2 and 1 at the top, but I'm going to put 1 and 2 swapping the bottom part and then multiply 2 times 2, and that becomes 4, and 1 times 1 becomes 1, like that. Now you can see 1 and 4 can add up to 5, right? They can add or subtract to 5 and subtract to 3, and that's what we want. We want 3, the middle term over there, which means this is the arrangement. So I'm going to open up the bracket now, and I'm going to put 2 and 1 first. Then I'm going to put 1 and 2 afterwards, like that. I'm going to do a smiley face test first now and check my middle term. I'm going to multiply the outer 2 using a smiley, that becomes 4, and the inner 2 becomes 1. I need to get to negative 3, so I need a negative 4 and a plus 1. So negative 4 plus 1, like that. I just got to put x in there, and that should work. So this is going to get me negative 4x in the middle term plus 1x, which will get me negative 3x in that now.